How to delete all messages on Messenger for both sides permanently. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app and head over to the Chats tab. Now, here you're going to find all the conversation. Open the conversation where you want to delete the messages. Now, head over to the chat that you want to delete. Press and hold on it. Select the option Delete. Now, you are able to select multiple messages to delete. Just checking for it. Once you are done selecting the messages, click Delete given at the bottom. You'll get the pop-up Delete for everyone, delete for you. Select the option Delete for everyone. With that, the selected messages will be deleted from the both sides. By following the same steps, you are able to delete messages from both sides permanently in other conversations as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.